Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2014 on a 63 plate, wheelchair adapted VW Caddy Maxi with an automotive group conversion. Covered just 28,000 miles with a full main dealer service history, and as you will see from this short video, it's in grade A condition. As is with all of our vehicles, direct from Motability. You see very little use and wear. It's got the 7-speed DSG gearbox, comes with air conditioning, radio, CD player, ABS, electric windows and mirrors, everything you need in a wheelchair adapted vehicle. 5 seats plus wheelchair. As you will see as I go round the back, there is space to use for very little cost. You get a 7-seat option just by putting the rear third row seats back in the vehicle. Still has the original rear seat belts. There's no problem, fits very easily within seconds, and we have them seats for just £350 plus VAT. See them on our website, they're brand new. This one's a bi-folding ramp, as with the automotive group, with a 33-inch wide floor and ramp. They will accommodate larger scooters and wheelchairs. We'll take any vehicle in part exchange. We can also offer finance. So if you're looking to upgrade your wheelchair adapted vehicle, or it's your first purchase, come along to us at Cooling Road Service Station, ME2 4RL. We'll be happy to point you in the right direction. You can also visit our website, www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. These vehicles can be used privately for mobility users and have become increasingly popular with the taxi market. It has got the stage 2 plate on it, as you can see there, so that will be suitable for your council if you are a taxi driver. Height adjustable front seats, steering wheel. So a lovely condition vehicle. We carry about 25 wheelchair adapted vehicles in stock. Generally the same kind of vehicle, so they're normally the VW Caddy Maxi, Peugeot Partner Horizon, Citroen Berlingo, or the Peugeot Expert. We do carry the odd different make and model, so if there isn't anything on our website, give us a call, drop us an email, or pop in and see us. We're happy to make you a cup of coffee, and we'll talk through what we can do for you. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.